Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Jessica here with Beauty and Baseball. Today I have a new project pan for you. I know, it's not a shock because I have so many project pans going on. This one is just kind of a simple one. It's small and it's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I was talking to my BFF Amanda and she has been wanting to do it for a while and we just never really talked about it. So we decided that we're going to do a rolling 5 pan together, just kind of to support each other and encourage each other. So we each picked 5 products and we're each going to do our updates monthly. I have my 5 products sitting right here in front of me. 2 of them are not makeup, but 3 of them are. And I want to make sure that I have some makeup in every single time that I have an update. I want to always have at least 2 to 3 makeup products to go with my other products. Okay, so let's get into the non-makeup stuff first. The first is this Active Wow. It is a shampoo that is supposed to help with hair loss. I know y'all are thinking, Jess, you have enough hair, lose a little bit, it's okay. I actually got this right after I had my daughter and my hair was falling out in clumps, and this was sent to me as a review item, and it's actually kind of nice, and I do think it slowed down the hair loss. So I do want to continue using this, and let's see, I am right here and hopefully we can get this done. To go with that shampoo, I also am adding in a conditioner. This is the Hair Omega Argan Oil conditioner, and I am right here at this line. This one is nice. This was also sent to me for review. It smells like the dreamsicles, like that orange kind of vanilla smell together. Oh, it smells really good. So I'm going to have a lot of fun using this one. All right, now let's get into the makeup products. I have 2 products that are by e.l.f. The first one is this e.l.f. Eyebrow Pencil, and this is very dark. It's in deep brown, and I have marked it on the cap. I've only tried this one twice, so it's virtually brand new. So there you go. It is going to be updated on the cap just because I lose papers and I forget to mark them, but if it's staring me in the face, there's a better chance that I'm going to mark it. The next one is this e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder. It is brand new, still has the little sticker on it right there, and hopefully I'll get some good use out of this one. I've never used a specific under eye setting powder before. I usually just use my high definition powder, which I really like, so let's see how I do with this one. And my last product is the Benefit What's Up. This is the cream highlighter. Got quite a bit of product there to use. I've only used this a few times, and I also marked this one on the cap. And it's barely on the cap, so I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see that line up there, but it is right at the very top. And I will just continue to mark my lines on the lid. That is everything for this rolling 5 pan. I will be doing my update a month from now along with Amanda, so go check her out. She's going to be linked down below if you want to go check out her video and her channel. She is awesome. You will love her, so definitely go check her out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.